order to solve for pi, in this case, we're just going to think of it as a literal equation, not 3.14. We're going to divide what we don't need. Pi and r squared are multiplied together, so technically the r squared in this case is the coefficient. So I'm going to divide by r squared because I need it to go. Division property of equality says if you divide this side by r squared, you divide this side by r squared. So a over r squared equals pi. If you're not comfortable with that, then you can put it in the calculator. However, calculator, the graph only likes x and y. So instead of putting a, pi, and r, I'm going to have to change this. So a for me is going to be x. Pi is okay because technically it's a number. And r is going to equal y. Okay, so this means that instead of a equals pi r squared, this is going to be x equals pi y squared. Okay, so that's what I'm going to type in. Now, in order to get pi, I'm here at this one. Literally, press the pi button. This will pop up on the screen. Press enter, and then I'm going to put my y, and then the squared is this button. Squared. Enter. Oh my gosh, it's a parabola. Well, I need to see if my answer works. So I'm going to press tab, and I will enter in the control. Okay. Control divide. Instead of a, I'm going to put x. So my answer was this, and instead of putting a, I'm going to put x. And I had an r, but instead of r, I'm going to put y. So equals, and again, pi is down here. Enter. Well, unfortunately, the calculator wouldn't help me out here. I have to know how to solve this by hand. Betty Patty strikes again.